Hey everybody, this is Lucas here at MarineMax, Lake the Ozarks. The beautiful boat I'm hopping on today is going to be the 2024 Aviara 28 Surf. Wow, what a time to buy a luxury boat. We just listed these in our liquidation pricing. This boat's going to go out the door at $199. Yes, $199. That is under $200,000. There's never been a better time to take advantage of pricing on a luxury boat. Tons of seating here in this Aviara 28. The tower above us is going to be a power tower with a permanent top. My highlight of the AV28 Surf is going to be the bow. It is extremely deep and extremely safe for children. You have a head in this boat. Easy to access and deep in there as well. This boat has an 8.2 liter mag from Mercury paired with the Simrad screen. It uses the SurfStar 2 system for its surfing. Again, take advantage of the pricing of this AV28 Surf. $199. That is a sub $200,000 luxury boat. 28 feet long, you can even surf. Again, my name is Lucas. This is the Aviara 28 Surf from Aviara.